Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. You've no idea what we're trying to do here at the moment. Absolutely bonkers. So we'll get straight into it. I apologize for the delay. It's because we've got a brand new service about to start. It's already started. It's happening now. You've no idea. So let me just check if everything's looking good. Let's have a look. Let me just make sure this is coming through. Have a look. Let me just make sure this is coming through. Have a look. Let me just make... Yeah. It might be a bit low on volume today. Might be a bit low on volume. But we can fix that. That's not a problem. We'll work at that. That's probably about right. Anyway, guess what's happened? It's really quite funny. The first person to discover it was Mike. Has anybody else discovered anything happening at the moment? Be interesting. So it's just in trial right now, but it's got to work very quickly. So I'll tell you all about it in a second. Let's wait for everyone to get here. Right. Just give me a second and we'll be interesting. Actually, the audio might be about right. The audio might be about... No, it's actually about right. Okay. So, are you ready for a brand new announcement? Is everybody excited? Shall I tell you what's going on? Does anybody want to know? I can't believe we're doing this. This feels really, really weird. But there it is. Has anybody got any clue what's going on? We are just hit the like. Fisker earnings tomorrow. Yes, indeed. Fisker. We're covering the Fisker earnings, but we're also doing a lot more. It's getting pretty crazy on the channel right now. So I hope Sensei joins me because he's going to be a rock star tomorrow. Does anyone know what's going on? Let me tell you, let me refresh the screen, see how many I've got with me, and then I'll tell you what's going on because it's a little bit wild. Okay, a lot of people are here now, so I'm going to tell you. We've got another extra feature added to the show. Tomorrow night, we are covering the Fisker earnings. You're all happy about that, all right? You're all happy about that. FSR, right? Of course you are. FSR. We're going to cover the earnings tomorrow night. It should be a good night. There could be a short squeeze. It's already starting. There could be a lot of excitement. Ricardo Vasquez, I know about your review. It's top priority. I'm just having some issues to try and get everything done for tomorrow at the same time. So I'm right with you, Ricardo. Okay, I know you're next. So here we go. Tomorrow night, it's the Fisker earnings. But there are many of you that wanted to watch the SoundHound earnings. They are both very, very important stocks to our company, to our show. Okay, SoundHound and Fisker. We did a poll. Fisker won the review, the vote. So we're doing Fisker tomorrow night. However, a lot of people want to watch SoundHound. So how are we going to do it? Well, we've set up another channel. It's the extra channel to this channel, and it's live right now. So tomorrow during Fisker, me live with you, Sensei is going to be streaming to the other channel, the sister channel, and look, it's live right now. Are you ready? It's going to be really wild, this. So you know, like a lot of radio stations, they show you behind the scenes. Well, that's what we're doing right now. All right, so watch this. Watch very closely. Here is the channel you are watching right now. This is where Fisker will be. This is the main channel. This is the main channel where you'll be tomorrow for the Fisker earnings. If you look on this channel, on the homepage of the channel, scroll down, you now see already with 1,000 subscribers, Martyn Lucas Investor Extra. It's got a brand new logo, Extra. Okay, you click on it. You do it right now. And what do you see? You see behind the scenes extra, and this is where SoundHound earnings will be tomorrow night. You click on it, and look, that's behind the scenes right now. So this is our backup channel. This is going to be our extra channel. This is behind the scenes channel. This is where we're going to have extra content that I can't include on this channel. This is where there's going to be exclusive content, where there's going to be what you call it? Reviews that we can't cover at the same time. So we'd have, double earnings running at the same time. So that's running live right now. That's behind the scenes in the studio. All right. That angle might change. It might look a bit different shortly, but that's what we've got. There you go. The very first person to come in was Mike. Mike discovered it. I didn't even tell anybody. So let me give everybody the link to the channel. All right. Let me give you the link to the channel. Get everybody go and subscribe to the channel right now. This is our backup channel where we'll do multiple streams. So perhaps they are. Let me put the link in the chat. I'll put it 3 times. It's called Martyn Lucas Investor Extra. Let me give it. In fact, I'm not anywhere else this afternoon. I'm just there. So there you go. Right, there you go. Everyone's got that. Go and subscribe to the extra channel. Now, tomorrow night, you might like to watch the Soundhound earnings. You might want to watch that instead. So you get a choice. You actually get a choice. Sensei will be streaming Soundhound while I will be doing Fisker. There you are. There's our first comments. You might decide you prefer it. Or you might like... As we're live on this show, you might like to get the behind the scenes look. You might like to see what's going on. Look, behind the scenes, all right? You might fancy that. So there'll be all sorts of stuff going on there as well. That's kind of behind the scenes, uncut, unedited, just as it is, all right? Don't expect too much. All right, so anyway, so you can listen to 2. If you want to. Dawn says, yeah, I'm listening to 2 Martins. Hi, everyone. Shannon Miller. All right. So make sure you subscribe. This is the sister channel. I just literally built it minutes ago, and we're just kind of testing it out and on all the rest of it. So, it is what it is. Let me move that. Right. I don't know what it's going to be like. I don't know if it's going to work, but there you go. So you can see what you can see at the moment. Got a fan there at the moment. I have to move all that, but there you go. So you get a different perspective of the studio, right? It's pretty wild, right? That is pretty wild. I'm loving it. So anyway, we've got 7 watching. Don't stay there. Don't stay there, because if you watch me over there, I don't earn any money, right? If you have because there's no ad revenue over there, right? So if you are over there, have it open on a separate device. In fact, that's what I want everyone to do right now, because we want to get this channel built really quickly, right? We want to get this channel built really quickly. So what I want you to do is open this on a separate tab, so you keep it run. Let's get the watch hours up, but the main show is here, right? Okay. There you go. Isn't that fun? It's exciting, isn't it? Every day there's something else going on. So Fisker is preparing for a short squeeze on the earnings, and the main channel is here. God, I can't even keep up with myself now. Where am I? Let me come back to the main channel. There we go. Is everybody watching me over there now? That's pretty crazy. Right. So we've got to do this now. Let me read all the comments. Do you like this? What do you think? Let me run a poll. Do you like the idea? Start a poll. Okay. Do you like the extras channel? Okay, the extras channel. There you go. Yes, no, or what? Undecided? All right. Undecided. There you go. Start a poll. Yes, no, undecided. You don't know. All right. It's up to you. Okay. Let's read the comment. Martin, did you see Jim Cramer says Bitcoin will crash? Oh, yeah. Well, we think Bitcoin will go down as well. We think it will all go down. But once it goes down, and then it will set new highs. That's what we think is going to happen. I think the same thing. Mike discovered it first. Dogecoin to the moon. There he is, the Rocket Man. Tesla Jam, how you doing, Sam? Great to have you here. I have some very sad news. Oh no, tell me all about it. Just hit the like. Fisker earnings tomorrow. Yes, Fisker earnings tomorrow. We'll cover it live. Raman, hi all. Hi, what's new? Hey up. Good evening, everyone. Hi all the news about the news about the sister channel. Bought more wrap at 355. Hey Ricardo. Shannon, good afternoon. Hey Crag, how are you? Axon shut up after earnings. Good afternoon. What's up, Sidhu? Sidhu, have a nice rise. Good, thanks Ricardo. Weird energy. Leo said, weird energy? What's weird? I feel full of life, mate. What's going on? I was told some very sad news about Philo Silvana, Concord Lighting. Oh no, that's the company you work for. Tell me more about it. I just bought 2,000 worth of Fisker stock. Normally that is enough to earn 1 million in Fisker, according to Martin. I just bought 2,000 worth of Fisker stock. Normally that is enough to earn 1 million with Fisker, according to Martin Raman. Nice one. Good idea, Martin. Thank you, mate. Who's going to be our first moderators? We need some moderators, don't we? Do we need some moderators in the sister channel? Right, let me add some moderators. So I need to, here we go. Right, if you jump in there now, I'll pick some moderators. Okay, so you ready? Sister channel, jump on in to the sister channel and I will appoint our first moderators. So let me just switch account a minute. Okay, here we go. So hi all, make sure. Right, okay, jump on in. Let me see what we got over here. So we need some moderators. So what I'm going to do is Mike. Mike is our first moderator, standard moderator. There you go. Mike. Let me have a look. I have to think a little minute. We don't want too many just yet. We'll probably do about the same as we have over here. I think that'll probably be about right for now. There we go. Okay. That'll do for now. That'll do for now. We don't want too many in there just yet. All right. Okay, there we go. We've given a couple of moderators. We'll see how that pans out. We'll keep our eye on it. First openly gay subscriber, Kitty Chan. I love it. What's up? What's up, first channel? What's up, first channel? There we go. There you go. Let me come back to the main show a minute. Right. There you go. Please make sure you subscribe to that channel. Tap the like button just the same. We want to promote that channel because that's where we're going to have the SoundHound earnings tomorrow night. Okay, SoundHound earnings tomorrow night. Nice one. Good idea. Mara, good evening to you. Panday, Raman, 0.7. Not sure. 0.7 to 419 is 6,000%. Love it. You're undershooting the target, Raman. That's FSR investment will grow 10 million in 10 years. And then Martin has 10 million subscribers. Oh, Leah Sudbury's here again. All right, whatever. For the lazy people, that's what it looks like. Get it, Martin. For the lazy people, this is what for the lazy people, this is what work looks like. Get it, Martin? Absolutely right. MSK will make 20 million with Fisker. Hi all, Trippy, Radiant Smile, Raman. How you doing, MSK? Wouldn't that be freaking awesome? Yes, if I make 1 million with Fisker alone, then I'll do a super chat for $100,000. That'd be hilarious. I love it. MSK, Starbuck, how you doing, Leah Sabri? With inflation, each FSR share be worth 2,510 years, Raman. Hi, Bill. Well, you don't know, do you? What's Fisker doing right now? It's starting to squeeze. It probably could happen tomorrow on the earnings if it's anything good. Does anyone know any news about Sadu going up crazy? Let's have a quick look on Sadu. I don't have any information on Sadu at the moment. I have to be honest. Let's have a quick look. Sadu, how do you do? There you go. Oh, that's bit of a movement there. Cider Space. Could you not run 2 live streams on the original channel at the same time? Good idea, though. Good job. Yes, I can run the same stream, but it would be pretty pointless running the same stream twice. Why would anybody want to watch it?
Crypto has become a member.
Mew Crypto has just become a silver member. Well, if you Mew Crypto, if you want to, you can go on the homepage of the channel and we can promote your YouTube channel and get everyone to subscribe to you if you are a YouTube channel. Silver, you request to go on the homepage, plus you get the Discord upgrade as well. Let me give you the Discord. If you want to go in there, you can talk to all the team about all the scalp trades. There it is. Okay, there's the link. I'll give you all your extra benefits in a minute when I've got through all the comments. Yeah, so Vaz, there's no point streaming the same show. It's a completely different experience. And it's a backup stream. It's where we're going to run old shows when we have 2 shows at the same time. Tomorrow night we have Fisker earnings and Sadu earnings at the same time. So Sensei is going to run the Sadu earnings and I'm going to run the Fisker earnings here on the main channel. That's what it's all about, all right? Okay, Vincent Vosberg, I almost missed the live. Polestar is better than Fisker. Now, Polestar in the morning, February 29th. Yes, Polestar is in the morning. We're going to cover Polestar in the morning. So, remind me of Polestar. In fact, I'll do it right now, otherwise I'm only going to forget because there's a million things to do. PSNY. Whoops-a-daisy. Is it PSNY? Polestar, here we go. Let me go over to Polestar. This is early in the morning. PSNY. Polestar Automotive. Right, let me have a quick look. What time is it? Preview earnings calls. Pre-market February the 29th. It is at, oh, hang on. It's at 2 p.m. Central. 29th of February, 2 p.m. Oh, no, that's wrong. That's Central European time. Central European time. So that will be... Oh, that'll be 7 a.m. That'll be 7 a.m. pre-market. Yeah, that'll be 7 a.m. pre-market. Right, Polestar. Polestar then. So here we go. Polestar, 7 a.m. pre-market. Yes, that's pre-market in the morning. I thought so. Right, okay. So let me just do that then. So what's the time? Let's see what the time is. 17:34. What am I saying? 17. What am I saying that for? God knows. It's all a bit crazy today, isn't it? Polestar. That should have changed the look for the behind the scenes show. Let's have a look what the behind the scenes show. There you go. The behind the scenes show has just turned very, very green. There you go. Look at that. There's behind the scenes show. And that's where we run the extra shows. There are what we'd like you to do, if you can, if possible, because we want to get the watch hours up so we can promote this extra channel for tomorrow night, Sadu, watch on the main channel and open a second tab with the sister channel, the extras channel. So if you could do that, that would be really great. We had 7 likes. If you can, open a separate tab. That would be great to promote the channel so we can get it up. Anyway, let's focus on what we're doing right now. So here we go. Polestar earnings nice and early tomorrow morning. Join us pre-market for Polestar. A lot of my investors like this one. This is about number 5 on our popularity of our channel. Number 1 right now is what is it? I forgot now. What is it? What am I covering later? I forgot the name. It's live TV. What can I say? Soundhound. Soundhound is number 1. Fisker is number 2, and we've got which was number 1, SPCE down there at about 4 or 5, maybe 6 now, and Polestar is right there as well. It's upcoming stock. A lot of people are talking about this. Join us for Polestar in the morning on our main channel. Click above my head down up here and down here in the description, and over here I'll put the link for Polestar. Join us. That's early pre-market, and then we go the opening and closing bell. Then after hours we have Fisker on the main channel, this channel, and we have Soundhound on my sister channel. My sister channel just got launched. It's called Martyn Lucas Investor Extras. It just got launched literally like 10 seconds ago. It's brand new, behind the scenes. There I am right now in the behind the scenes look, and that's where Soundhound will be tomorrow night, the one I can't remember the name of. Anyway, smash the like button, click the subscribe bell, do all those kind of things. Polestar is green today, up 18%. Earnings in the morning, pre-market, up here, down here, over here, over here. There you go. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. It's an exciting day, isn't it? All right. Okay. Polestar is better than Fisker, said Radiant Smile. Change my mind. I don't like rap any longer. I'm going to speak to Mr. Cohen and explain that people are very upset with rap for cancelling the earnings. Yes, we will get everybody to. We will get some response. Don't worry about that. Okay. Let me come back to the main chart. It's my 50-20 year stock, Radiant Smile. I don't trust them, said Vincent Vosberg. What is it you don't like? This will work well for having Sensei's chart reviews during a live show. Absolutely. He'll better stream. We can go backwards and forwards. Shannon Miller, what a great idea. Didn't even think of that. But yeah, absolutely. Lots of things that we can do with this. So if you could keep an extra tab open, we want to try and get the watch time up on this. It's not a monetized channel. Just want to get it up so we can start promoting our other shows. I still see a possible Fisker dip 0.58, the real climb higher, before the climb higher. Make Raman a moderator. That's not happening, is it? Company I work for have been told 60 days the company will be closing down, so we're all being made redundant. Oh, dear. I'm really, really sorry. I was made full-time employee in November last year. I won't get anything. I'm really sorry to hear that, mate. That is awful news. I'm really, really sorry to hear it. That's just terrible. I'm really sorry about that. So, yeah, my thoughts go out to you there, mate. Sorry, buddy. Raman will then block me and Vincent. Yeah, that's right. Vincent, I would try, but my membership ends at March 19th, what is Bitcoin's all-time highs? Bitcoin, if we look at Bitcoin right now, let's have a quick look. Bitcoin, all-time high. There we go. All-time high, 65,000. It looks like 65.4, just about. That looks like the all-time high, and we are very close to that now. It won't take much to break an all-time high, will it? Yeah, there we go. I wouldn't block anyone. I think everyone's vote counts. There you go, Raman. Sergio, what time of the FSR earnings will be released? Sergio, it's 4 p.m. Central Time, so about 3 p.m. on the closing bell tomorrow. We will cover it live. It'll be on this channel, and my extras channel is where we'll have the Soundhound earnings. Mew Crypto has just become a member. If you want to go on the homepage of the channel, you can. Welcome. If you want, now you can upgrade to Discord. You get it for free, but now as a YouTube member, you can go on the homepage of the channel. The homepage of the channel. As long as you're a silver member, you can have a 20-minute event for a fundraiser or a show on my music channel. You can also call in live to the show. You can share links in Discord. You can be a researcher for the team. You can also get upgraded on Discord. So go into Discord. I've given you the link. When you get into Welcome All, it will take 10 minutes. I will manually upgrade you during the show. Okay. Niels, hello, hello, hello. They are loaded and ready for launch, maybe in March. Kane Youngquist, somewhere near 60,000. That's right. No way is Sensei doing an earnings tomorrow. Yes, he is. Sensei is doing an earnings tomorrow, Niels. He is doing the Soundhound earnings tomorrow night. So why are you saying no way? Oh, no way. Is Sensei doing an earnings tomorrow? Yes, he is on the show. Look, let me share with you. This is the behind the scenes channel, the extra channel. If you click on the homepage of the channel, make sure that you subscribe to it. You will see upcoming live streams, Soundhound earnings. There it is. The Soundhound earnings tomorrow night, live on the show at the same time as I am doing Fisker earnings on this show. So you can go backwards and forwards and pick your favorite stock. We've already got people waiting for it. Look at that. That is Soundhound tomorrow night, starring Sensei Crypto with his very own show. If you want to watch Soundhound, I'll give you the link. Here is Soundhound. We are doing, of course, Fisker. Soundhound is on the extras channel. There it is. Has everyone subscribed to it? Has everyone subscribed to the channel? Let's have the fastest growing channel in the history of the world. 17,000 subscribers. Let's all subscribe to it. Okay, so what are we doing now? 28. We haven't got any earnings tonight, have we? Oh, yes, we have. IONQ. IONQ. We're still waiting for that feed to come through. Extras channel. Back to there. Is anybody in with me? Oh, yeah, look. People are opening up separate tabs. There you go. Open up a separate tab and you can watch behind the scenes. That would be absolutely ace. All right, okay. Hello, Mew Crypto. We've got a lot of crypto people here in the channel, especially on Discord. 2 simultaneous live stream videos, audience divided, half the ad rep. Leo Sudbury, you make no sense at all. You constantly try and do silly things. It's not about my ad revenue. It's about providing service to the members. That's what it's about. You do not understand how business works. The more I give to people, the better it is for them. Ultimately, the better it is for me. It's not about me keeping everybody on this channel so I can get all the money for myself. It's about giving people the opportunity to watch what they want to watch. Some people don't want to watch Fisker. They want to watch Soundhound. So they can watch Soundhound tomorrow. It doesn't matter that I don't get any ad revenue. The bigger picture is to provide the service that people want. And some people want to watch Soundhound. And now they can. I didn't mean the same show twice. I meant 2 separate events running along. Never mind. It's a good idea. Yeah, but I'm streaming this broadcast. I'm only broadcasting one thing, right? I'm not broadcasting 2 things. There's not 2 separate audios, 2 separate, this is one broadcast. It would be the same broadcast on both channels. Somebody else has to broadcast a different broadcast. Does that make sense? I hope so. Polestar climbed today. Niels, can we say heck yeah? Wow, tomorrow's going to be epic or the opposite? Probably. I assume Sensei will stream on the main channel. Yep. He's going on the main channel and I'm going to go on I could go on the other one. I don't mind. We'll take it in turns. Fortune favors the brave. That's right. You keep saying Sidhu. 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 S-I-D-U. Sidhu. Cider Space. Rap is number 1, says Rallo1. Eric B, the brave of the rich who have enough money to gamble a few millions. There you go. Rap to $2 range. I'll add more as it drops. Next buyback for me is $2.99. What an absolute genius idea. That sister channel. Thank you very much. It's all about serving the public in the best way possible. They are being shifty, not transparent. Well, I'll speak to them. I'll find out. So is every company, says Radiant Smile. MSK. Of course, I was referring to Martyn because he is not afraid of trying new things. Absolutely. Always. Oh, that's what you were saying. I was referring to Martyn because he is never not afraid of trying new things. Absolutely right. Buy the business. I'll buy the whole thing then. I see. Martyn Lucas Investor. I've been bold and brave in his ventures. Has been brave. Yes, always. Nothing to be afraid of, really, is there? Thank you, Martyn. You take all my worry and stress away. Just being you. Thank you. I'm glad it makes you feel better. I'm sorry that we're all upbeat when you're having a bad day. That's a bit rubbish, isn't it? You're telling me about you're going to lose your job, and I'm going all excited about my channel. I don't know what to... It's awful, isn't it, mate? I'm right with you, but I got to keep smiling. And if I keep smiling, then you just might turn your frown upside down. You know what I'm saying? Bloody hell. We've all been down. We've all been up. We just take it in turns, really. Space is falling. Yep. No surprise. No surprise. We put out a big warning today to Virgin Galactic. They need to listen before the stock price goes to $1. They need to pay attention. They're not paying attention. Martyn's autobiography, loving it. The road to 10 million subscribers. Can I add can I add both together? Because if everyone subscribes on this channel to the other one, I'll have 34,000 subscribers straight away. Can I cheat? Loving it. Yes, Martyn, it may be a good time to sell the 7-ish Dogecoin I love to tip you with. It's doing really well. Eric, I'm going to keep it forever, mate. What you gave me for a tip, I'm going to keep it forever. Altcoin regulation coming. BTC is only play. It'll be the global currency by 2030. Gerard says. 19 next stop for Dogecoin. Leo Sudbury. Thank you, Martyn. Will FSR go over $1? I don't know. We'll have to review it again and look at the numbers, but it certainly would look like it's going up. There's no doubt about that. Let me come back to Fisker just a moment. FSR. There we go. Let's have a quick look at it. It's going up again. Could very well do $1 tomorrow night. Space chart looks like a Fisker. Thanks for the memories. What do you mean, Starbuck? You do get more income with 2 channels, though. Double members, double super chats, and we can watch 2 streams at the same time. That's right. That's right. How come not everybody's watching it at the same time? Has everyone subscribed to it yet? This is the backup channel. It's the extras channel. It's behind the scenes channel. And it's where Sensei will do a few surprises. I'll do a few surprises. And maybe this is where we'll also do the alternative show. And also when we have 2 earnings, 2 reports to do, Sensei can do 1. And maybe I'll have a 3rd person. Maybe eventually, because tomorrow night we want plug. Does anybody want to stream to my my extra channel? Anybody want to stream to the extra channel? You can do plug. That'd be good. Who wants to do that? Martyn, how far down the review list am I with Nightscope? Let's have a little look. Nightscope. Nightscope. I'm not taking any more paid reviews at the moment or free ones to try and catch up with everything. Nightscope. Jose Quintana. Let me have a look. Ramesh. What is the ticker symbol? Ramesh, Ty. Oh, Nightscope. There you are. You're in the top. Oh, and you're in the top 3rd. You're in the top 3rd, mate. You've been making your way up. Very nice. Eric B. Leo. I'd love a video tour around your studio. Anyone else up for that? Well, there you go. This is one of the things that we can do on the behind the scenes channel. All right. Let me give everyone the links. Everyone subscribe to it, yeah? This is our backup channel, our extras channel, and it's where we're going to stream. It's where we're going to stream extra content that we can't do on this channel. Let me give you all the link. It's on the homepage of this channel, of course. There it is. Okay. Let me jump in. Keep a separate tab open so we can get the watch hours up. That way, we can start to promote the videos quicker. Out of all the stocks, I reckon Fisker has the best chance of a proper short squeeze. Out of all the stocks, I reckon Fisker. I agree with you. I agree that Fisker could easily short squeeze now. Buccaroony agreed. Space and Tilray are in a race. To what? Race to the bottom. Oh, yeah, it does seem that way, doesn't it? It's that Eric Kearney, investor relations manager. They're just destroying the reputation of the company on purpose. When you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. When you're laughing, the sun comes shining through. That's on the extra channel. If you want to see that, that's on the extra channel. You don't see that on the normal channel. That's the extra channel, right? Rubbish race. Yeah, it's a race nobody wants to be in. Niels, I'm watching it. Don't worry about space because you're going to make millions with Fisker anyway. Don't worry about it. The cousin channel. It's the extras channel. Plug earnings on my parents' attic. Who says no? Plug earnings on my parents' attic. Who says no? Niels is going to stream the plug earnings to my extras channel. KSCP. Jose Quintana, what's your question? I just answered it a moment. Is that another question? Please explain what you mean. I do the grandmother channel. There you go. We'll have 4 channels. Is Speed Racer around? Raman Wasaj. Will Bitcoin become a global currency in the future? I think it's... I don't know if Bitcoin will become a currency. I think it will just be a... they say a hedge against inflation, but it hasn't proved to be a hedge against inflation at all. It hasn't. It's proved itself that it doesn't do that. I don't think it'll be a currency, no, because it's too expensive to move it around. I mean, when you hear Michael, what's his name? Not Michael Colglazier. Michael Saylor talk about Bitcoin, and he says, you can move money around. Ever tried walking through an airport with money? And have you ever tried sending money? Well, I send money all the time from America to England. Doesn't cost me any money. It's instant. I went from my bank to my bank instantly. Didn't cost me any money. Banks have caught up a little bit. People that are all in on crypto think there's no other alternative. It's all crypto or nothing. Well, crypto's great, and I've got no problem with it. I've got some. I'm holding it. But, to say that you can't send money around the world for free instantly, you can. I do it all the time. So, I'm just saying. I don't know. I think banks are going to go, well, we can do it, and they'll do it cheaper and in the end free. And they do it for me for free already. So I'm just saying. Eventually, half of all channels on YouTube will be Martyn's. That's right. I'll just buy them all. On the Martyn Lucas Super Extra channel, you'll be opening and closing European markets. I tell you what we need. We need what's his name? Caden Youngquist. He needs to do a channel for me. And we need Jason Fallon in Australia doing the Australian market. Or what we'll have a network. We won't just have one channel, we'll have a network of channels. Does that sound good? Don't understand. Do you have a new channel? Antonio Dela Cruz. Yes, we have an extras channel now. Here is the extras channel. We're running live right now on the extras channel. This is our broadcast here. It's when you can see behind the scenes. You get a different angle of the show. We also do extra content we can't include here on the main channel. There's also going to be overlaps. So when we have earnings, and there are 2 at the same time, like tomorrow night, I'm going to cover Fisker. Sensei is going to cover Soundhound. It'll be on the extras channel plus extra content. Let me give you the link. You want to make sure that you subscribe to it and be part of it. Let it run in the background if you want an extra behind the scenes look and extra content that you can't get here on the main channel. Okay, that answers your question, I hope. Night Scope have an earnings April the 1st. Can you cover it? We can cover both now, mate. We can cover April the 1st. I'm not booking that far ahead, Jose Quintana. You'll have to mention it again. It's too far out for me to commit to that. Come back to me in a short while. Membership ends March the 19th. Was thanks for the memories. Membership ends March 19th. Membership ends March 19th. Was thanks for the memories. I've no idea what Bill means. What are you saying? You're not going to be a member anymore? You've been a member for 3 years. What are you on about, Bill? XRP for global currency. Maybe this is a question for Sensei, but isn't Bitcoin too volatile to be used? Well, again, Sensei can answer that on the Sunday show or the Extras channel, whatever you like there. MSK, I do the Belgian channel for Martyn Lucas with only Belgian shares. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. But banks can use your money. So what if they use my money? As long as I've got access to it, I don't really care. Niels, exactly. When will Fisker earnings be? Fisker earnings is tomorrow night. What do you mean? What do you mean? When is it? When is it? When is it? Here it is. Here, look. Tomorrow night, we're covering it live. If you've watched the reviews, watched the videos earlier, I've given you links to it. Here it is, the Fisker earnings. There is the Fisker earnings tomorrow night live on this show. And on the Extras channel, we have Soundhound, okay? If you want the link, there is the link to Fisker earnings. That's tomorrow night on the main channel where you are right now. There it is in the chat. Right, back to, we've got 10 minutes before the bell goes. Good evening, Lucas Age. I've just been chilling out in the Extras channel. It's where you chill out. It's a place to chill out and relax, isn't it? Keep the tab open, James. Let both run simultaneously. That we can get the watch hours up so we can start promoting the stocks, the alternative stocks. Otherwise, you miss out on that. You know, we want to promote the stocks and talk about the stocks and get everyone to learn about the reviews and the earnings. We need the watch time up on the other channel. Doesn't make me any money. It's not a monetized channel. It's not about that. It will be eventually. Yeah, eventually it will. But right now it's not. It's just about watching it and keep the hours up so we can promote the videos. Very important point there. Problem with crypto is the exchanges they charge are far too much and send an exchange. Problem with crypto is the exchanges they charge far too much. I agree. Right now that it's not perfect. I sent money from my Bank of America account to my Lloyd's bank account in 1 second using TransferWise. It cost me about $2 to send a few $1,000s instantly. Perfect. I mean, you know, Michael Saylor, you keep telling me I can't send money around the world. I just did, and it cost me $2 in 1 second. So of course you can. I have my phone on one channel and my laptop on the new one. Look at that. Eric B has got his phone on one channel and my laptop on the new one. I'm loving it. You know what, Eric B? Eric B, I appreciate that, mate. That is really, really nice of you. That is really, really nice. I appreciate that. Do you know what, Eric B? Just for that, we need some more moderators. Just for that, Eric B, I'm going to make you a moderator on this channel. Eric B, if you comment now, you'll be a moderator. Let me do it. Hang on a minute. Let me sort this out. So I need to... Where do I go here? Switch account to an extra channel. Here we go. And Eric B. I'm going to make Eric B a moderator. There we go. He's been watching me a long time now. Eric B is a moderator. There you go. Eric B, you are now a moderator on if we lose our members badge. Yeah, you're not a member on this channel. You haven't lost your badge. You're just not a member of this channel. This channel is not a monetized channel. So, Eric, if you comment now, go on, say something. Go on, and you'll be blue with a spanner. Go on, say something. Eric B, moderator. Let's see what he says. All right, give him a second. Eric B, come on, Eric B. Don't take that bloody long, does it? Hey! Hey, there you go. Congratulations. There you go. Switch account. Back to here a minute. Investor. There you go. All right. Just for that. Just because you were watching it like twice. All right. Isn't it amazing how AI can make you be in two places? I know, Zach say, it is amazing. I don't know how it works. It's just, I don't question it anymore. Until your bank falls and you don't get your money back. Well, yeah. I'd rather trust the Bank of America, though, than a crypto exchange. I'm just saying, wouldn't you? Anyway, we've got to, let's end the poll, right? Do you like the extras channel? Yes. Or only 9% no. That's fair. Only 9% said no because the other 30% are undecided. I don't know yet. I ain't seen it enough. I don't know. I want to give it some time. So there you go. Let's end the poll. Very, very good. So 60% says yeah. Let's see if I can get the 30 undecided to love it after about a week. All right. Tomorrow night you'll love it because tomorrow night you get Soundhound, right? I'm a financial stress over limits on 3 cards, 35 grand in the red. Time to lie down. Oh no. I'm sorry to hear this, mate. Laura Rogers, will Bitcoin become a global currency in the future? Sensei will answer that on Sunday. Laura, I honestly don't know. Sensei will answer it. Europe is already working on digital money and therefore digital currency. It's not going to be Bitcoin. It's going to be their own creation. Yeah, USDC, something like that. You know, it already exists, I think. They just got to sort it out. Bill, you've been donating 200 membership over the last few months. How did that happen? Eric, me too. TV on main channel and phone on the extras channel. If Martyn starts an extras channel, I will need if Martyn starts an extras channel, I will need 3 devices. James, I love it. Bill, Eric B has been playing Santa with credit cards, unfortunately. Oh, Niels, I like to make people happy, but on my own expense. Fine, but what can I say? Bill. Another question, what's the point of blockchains if we need third parties like exchanges to enter? Very good question. That's a very good question. Hell yeah, says Eric B. I'll be edging while Black playing this in the background. I'll edging while playing this in the background. I'm not sure what Dave Scott means. Please rephrase that. Geez, even asked about financial positions a few months ago. I spent over £1,000 on a coin collection for Christmas. Flipping heck, Bill. And you bought 3 drones. I mean, Bill, you haven't got any money because you went out and bought a Mac Studio for $4,000 to watch the show when you can watch it on a $100 bloody laptop. I told you, Bill, you do not need a Mac Studio like me to be able to watch on YouTube. All you need is a $100 flipping, all you need is a $100 laptop. You don't need, Anyway, volume is FSR is way up. Fisker, yes, we could get a short squeeze. Let's have a look at the numbers right now. Let me refresh it. We've got 3 minutes before the bell goes. I've got to get ready for the IONQ earnings. I haven't even started to get ready for that yet. The volume is volume 62 million. Average volume is 42. So yeah, it is absolutely heading for a short squeeze. If it continues like this, all of a sudden you'll see it rocket. We're not there yet. But it's very likely to happen. Sound earnings will be here, Mr. Moody. Soundhound earnings is on my extras channel. So, Mr. Moody, I'll be doing Fisker earnings on this channel, and I'll be doing the Soundhound on the extras channel. This is the extras channel right here. Sensei will be broadcasting. Let me give you where I'm live right now. So if you want to see it, go to the channel. There's the channel. Click on the homepage, and you will see the Soundhound earnings right there. There is this upcoming live streams on the extras channel. Sensei will be broadcasting that for us, which will be great tomorrow night, as I'll be doing Fisker on this channel. Okay, I think he's talking about edging his lawn. I wonder what he was talking about. Can you not declare yourself bankrupt in Canada, Bill? All he's got to, hang on guys, all Bill's got to do is sell the 3 drones he's just bought, sell the Mac Studio for $4,000 he just bought. Bill doesn't need to be in debt, folks. He went out and bought a $4,000 studio computer, the same one that I've got, just to watch the show. I told him not to do it. Come on, sell the 3 drones. You got about 10. Sell 3 of them, sell the studio, and you'll be out of debt. I am selling it. There you go. I got carried away with your promotion on it. Oh, Bill. Bloody hell, Bill. I said it was a great computer, but it doesn't. You don't need it. You don't need to watch YouTube. You can watch it on a broken iPhone. You know, you don't need a studio computer. Call it next best thing syndrome. Oh, there we go. Bill, that is frightening. Thanks, mate. Mr. Moody, you're very welcome. Martin is to blame. Is it Bill? Yeah, it's my fault. Sold all my drones to catch up, hence the name change, Starbuck the Conga. You just bought a bloody parrot. Bill, you've gone from drones to parrots. Stop buying parrots, right? How much does the parrot cost you? Flipping heck, unbelievable. Loud work. You need to be seeing 600 volumes so far for FSR for a pop. So we're nowhere near, apparently, according to Buckaroo. Do they have an estimate on how low Luna will go? That's a good question. I don't know. Selling the Mac. There you go. I found out I can't figure it out. It's the same as any Mac, but you don't need it anyway. So let's not go down that road. Right, the bell's gone. Right, now then. We got to prepare, flipping it. That was too, I did it loud today. I did it loud. Right. What we got to do now is look at IONQ. IONQ. How do you do? IONQ. Preview earnings call. They haven't given it. Here we go. They've got the link now. It is at 3:30 Central Time. So we'll end the show now and get ready then for the earnings for IONQ. So we're going to go now to the IONQ earnings. The behind the scenes channel will keep running. This will keep running. This is behind the scenes now. So whatever happens now, if I turn around and, pick my nose or, start farting or something, or, you'll see it, right? That's on there, right? So I got to be thinking, bloody hell, yeah, I better behave myself now. You know what I mean? It's like Big Brother now, right? Okay. So let me end the show. Get ready for the IONQ earnings. So if you want to watch me set up the next show, this show is the behind the scenes, uncut, raw and ready is going to carry on. Well, so you can chat in there. You can chat in there while I'm getting ready. All right. Okay. So there we go. Let me give you the link. Let me send this link right now. Where are we? We'll make sure that I'm in the right flipping thing. All these channels going on. So let me send you all over there. Customization to the IONQ earnings. IONQ earnings, there it is. It starts right now, actually. We're going to go over there now and do the ION. Really interesting. I love... Please fart my... I guess it will make a clip, won't it? A clip for YouTube. Anyway. Right. Okay. I think we're done. Did I just do that right? Need to focus here. It's hard to do 50,000 things at once. Right, okay. Let me go back to the Clips channel. There's the Clips channel. Right, you're going to stay there, are you? You're gonna literally stay there. You're not going to go anywhere. You're going to stay there, are you? Okay. Let me get the IONQ. IONQ. This is where we're going to be. How do you do? We're going there right now, unless you want to go to the Clips channel, and you can see me right there. Yeah. Shall I send everybody to the Clips channel? I might do that, actually. I'll send everybody to the Clips channel for a laugh, right? So here's the link. Yeah, this is what I'll do. We'll end the stream. This is where we're going to go now. Dave Scott, what are you on about, mate? There is the IONQ earnings. That's where we're going to go. But just for a laugh, so you can see me set up the show, right? This show right now is going to go not to there, but it's going to go to the Clips channel here. That way, everyone can subscribe to me. You can keep the conversation going. It's not a monetized channel. There's no adverts, nothing like that. And you can carry on talking while I set up for IONQ, right? You'll see what goes on behind the scenes, all right? Let me give you the link. There you go. You ready? So as I end this stream, you'll all go there. Okay, brilliant. Bum, 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 bum. Right, that's it. It should work. I'll see if anybody pops in. All right? I'll see you back in a minute in the Clips channel, and I'll get ready. Sorry, the Clips channel. It's the extra channel, and I'm going to get ready for the IONQ earnings. All right? So see you back in a second. You'll see me walking around the studio. Probably shouldn't do this. It's probably not a good idea. All right? I'll see you back in a minute. As always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and each other. Join me behind the scenes getting ready for IONQ earnings. What a day. Live life until you fall over. Makes it more exciting. Bye-bye for now.